Hello and welcome to this new video in which I'm going to explain how you can easily get a US phone number by paying a very small amount of money for life. And you don't have to keep paying monthly or yearly. And all what you are going to do is to sign up into this platform. Now, the link is in the description, or if you didn't find it, you can ask it in the comments. And here, as you can see, the platform is called Hush. Now, if you went to sign up using their online website, you will see that they have monthly and yearly plans. But what I'm offering here is their lifetime deal. So, what are the benefits of lifetime deal? Well, you will have a second phone number that you can use to sign up in Google, Facebook, or any other platform easily, and you can get around 6,000 SMS yearly or 1,000 call minutes. Now, you can use any of these. Like if you use the SMS messages, it will be deducted from the whole balance that you have. And if you use minutes, it will be deducted as well. They have some calculations that are being done in the back end. But what you need to know is that you have 6,000 SMS per month or one per year, sorry, or 1,000 call minute. So again, this is a phone number for life. So once you sign up using this deal, you will pay only $25 and you will get a second phone number, a second US phone number for life. And I'm using it with all my signups. And as you can see, it's a very well-known company. And this is how the app looks like. Now, once you sign up using the link, you will fill in your information, you will pay the $25, and you'll download their app. It's called Hushed on the App Store, and you will receive an email with the login credentials. All what you need to do then is to simply sign in with your email on this platform. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or if you face any issues, I'm here to help.